Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. I don't have my second, my third phones, my fourth phone. I don't have them because I can check my phones. I only have this one left. EMG be here because of ex-convict Governor Nyoshi. That's ex-con. Didi otukboga ma apuna. Dano help boroma shawo. Dano help prove that my father raped me. Didi otukuru that nampam bromono. The amado help prove that nampam and many more. Like I said, nobody should back up yet. Nobody should back off yet. The game is about to get tougher and is about to get hot. I talk to all of you, no stone will be left unturned. As I'm wasting my time and also wasting my own money, so shall everybody do the same. Did you understand? As you guys have decided to deprive me from enjoying my vacation, as you guys have finally deprived me from doing some certain things I wanted to do, and you decided to arrest me, it's gonna, everybody will test the test of time. What I go? So nobody should even start calling. You're quitting. If you quit, it will be one negi. It will be one negi. Nobody should quit. Let everybody keep fighting me. None of you should give up. You give up, it will be one negi. Don't you ever think of giving up in anything. All of you together conspire, wishing me on, humiliated me, took my money, took my time, embarrassed me. Nobody will look. Some people say they quit. If he quit, if he quit, let's continue. Nobody's quitting on. Make una continue. Build your page with my name, with my pain, with my arrest. Shame me more. Jubilate. Don't quit. Don't. If you quit, you are just anyway. Can make you go down, because, like I said, in upcoming days, months, and years, it will be more fire than ever. You know, to man spend the ego. Memo time wasted. Everybody will test this bitter testing. You want to go? So nobody should relax. So I'm no planning at Oje make it deep. Planning at Oje make it deep. As you guys are planning, because I plan well, then when you give up, continue on. It has started. It has started. Like I said, you know, be who first call police. You know, be who first say this will go happen. You want to go? So nobody should even say you are. You will continue. You will continue to tell the world what imbecile children. Nobody is living anywhere for now. Lie. Because it's about to get down. You continue to tell the again with a video about and my father raped me, as you claimed in your videos. As you claimed in your videos. Nam potara who na my father raped me. Okay, let me block you. Don't need to be here. Oh yeah, fuck off from my page. Shingafo. All of you that have said that's not more embassy children who will take the proof We are all going to super. Nobody will be happy. Nobody will be peace. Let us continue. You want to go? Let us continue. So mission Igbo. You want to go? When you get moved on this new year, Udola. Oh, unu humiliate chamo. Unu humiliate chamo. Topente chamo. Okay, Oya, Otila, Singapore. This place is not meant for you. Otila, Singapore. You are done and dusted. Singapore. I am not here to exchange words with Ndala. Anyone when you know side talk, carry me they go. As a Sunday, if you comment anything again, my block again. This is my page. Don't you ever tell me what to do with my page, or don't you ever. You go? For those of you claiming na Igbo justice, not going to get Igbo justice, you will deal with Ogechi. I am out for this. I am out for this. That I came back from the United States to Nigeria doesn't mean that I'm stupid. I knew what's about to happen. Actually, I can face it, go this thing. Somebody got to run on this thing, which is so you guys have wished me dead. Several videos. And you think you will subdue me, suppress me. I'm supposed to be afraid of you. I don't understand. Make I will stand in front of whoever. Make I don't know million now. You want to go? So that's whole lot deal. To check on me up with chain me ajo. To check on me up with chain me ajo. You know? Not enough of intimidation. See, when this is not intimidation, you guys gathered. All the Igbo men that decided to women me. All of you that gathered. Ex-convict Governor Onyoshi Ex-con he put on a live video Mama Shawo Chicago Jim Gwebu now your follow stupid hopeless people Kahabe join again produce all the song you came out on social media and Nambromono Ogechi TV channel adi again. Now because request here again. My pepper soup don't finish. Unu came out to intimidate me. Unu make them intimidate mama. Onya he dig. I no go. Unu get bumo. All of una go pome me before I go rest. Una who be head kamo. Una who be head kamo. Una who be things the kamo. Ebony son, Ebony lost son made a video, made a voice note. None of you came out to arrest him. What he said was right. Right? Ebony lost son. Potara. Plania. Ya wokem kuru. KJ boom. If you no kill me. If you no peme me. Who ebu homu? Who ebu homu? I no go gree. Who ebu mo? You want to go? Who unu ga-egbu Ebony lost son. Una brono putara make a video. Sorry, made a record. Na ga-egbu Ebuka Obi. All of you kept silent. That record will be revived. No na start amo. Uno wo so me tonga babu.